What a lovely day at Clearwater Beach with my love of my life.
It's stunning.
It's quite cold out. It's in, what's the temperature?
About 70.
About 70. So it's a little bit cold. Not for the New Yorkers that visit during this season. What are these little birds? They look like mini seagulls. Just noodling. They're so cute. So cute. Big seagulls. Mini seagulls. Look at them noodling around. Look at this little dude. He's got one leg. Aww. Bye-bye. I'll call you Hoppy. My view for lunch. Look at this. It tastes so good. We got some pork nachos and a pina colada. And this is our view. Gorgeous. Our food got here. We got a crab salad BLT and we split it in half. They gave us like so much food. That's split in half. Look at that. It's like 2 full entrees. And then we're still plowing through these nachos. Fantastic tasting. Oh my god.
It's
So
called
good.
the Sandbar.
Yeah, we're at the Sandbar off Clearwater Beach. We just got to walk up right from our car, from where we parked. Amazing food. One of my fries just got swiped by a seagull. Look at these guys. They're ferocious. They're all coming in. It's the birds. Look at this guy. He's chilling at our table. Waiting. Just chilling. What? What? I'm being attacked. Hey, I'm back home. You see that little blackbird? He's took one of our chips. He snatched it right off the table. Oh my goodness, the birds were ferocious there. But I don't blame them because the seagulls started flocking as soon as those french fries came out, and those french fries were so good. They were kind of like Five Guys Cajun fries, except like not spicy or greasy, and they were just really like, those battered fries. They were really, really tasty and delicious. And my husband said the crab BLT was amazing. I haven't even had the appetite to eat it yet because we had so much food with the appetizer and those fries. Oh my goodness. But it was just such a lovely day. Just a fantastic wait staff as well, and lovely day on the beach. You just got to walk right up to the restaurant. Loved that about it, and we were just parked right there, so we got to come and go, and it was just so nice. Lovely, 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 lovely. I would definitely go back there again. I can understand why they have 4.5 stars uh, on Google, so definitely recommend going to Sandbar at the. It's like connected to a hotel. I forgot it. It's like this sand something hotel. I forgot, but really, really good food. So I definitely recommend it there. Yeah, just amazing all around. So, all right, guys, bye.